Welcome back to Teresa's Dead. My name is Teresa and I'm very much alive. I have an awful, garbage, filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised, but if you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here, no harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Why, my little cupcakes, I am so excited for today's video because I love being disappointed. I love mystery boxes and I love
Charlotte Tilbury,
especially when I say it like that. And you know what? Charlotte released a mystery box that retails for, I believe, $250, but it's 50% off, so I got it for $125. So if this is horrible, at least I got it for 50% off. Now, I have opened another Charlotte Tilbury kind of advent calendar mystery box thing in the past, and you know what? Wasn't worth the money. So I figured, you know what? I'm a glutton for punishment. Let's see if I can be disappointed. So welcome to I Wasted My Money So You Didn't Have To, Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box Edition. But before I show you the goods, which, by the way, should be 7 full-size items. No deluxe samples in this box. So I can't wait to see what kind of garbage we have here. But before I do that and get all Andy Rooney on you, a word from today's sponsor. Thank you to 2250 for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, I have a question. Have you ever wasted a bunch of money on skincare products that don't fit your skin conditions or needs? I know I have. I know I have. That's why I love 2250. It's really unique because they use AI to analyze your skin and pick your formulation out of 7,000 different options, which I know sounds intense, so let me show you how it works. You start by taking a quick quiz and answering a few questions like, what are your skin concerns? What do you want your formula to help you with? How many hours of sleep do you get? How much water do you drink? Then you take a quick selfie, and this is where the magic happens. The AI Skin Analyzer analyzes your wonderful face and goes to work. It gives you a full breakdown of what your skin needs and craves. The AI Skin Analyzer is 100% free. So while it looks super futuristic and fancy, it costs you nothing at all. I really invite you to check it out because it's so interesting how it maps out your whole face. You see where your redness is, your hyperpigmentation. It's a roadmap to everything that's going on in your skin. It's super fascinating. Also a little humbling too. Just saying. So once you're done, based on your results, you get a custom formula with a full ingredient list of what they do, which is really awesome, so no Googling is necessary. You get a cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer. Starting with the gel cleanser, this is designed to reset your skin. It helps remove makeup, oil, impurities, and all the bloopity blop blop that you have on your face. This gel cleanser is so cooling and refreshing on the skin, and as I start to massage it in, there's a light little foaming action, which is adorable. But what I love about this gel cleanser is that my skin feels super clean after I wash it off. It doesn't feel like it's stripped it or anything, it just feels nice and soft and supple. It's a godsend. Now the next product is the serum. Now depending on your skin concerns, it could be a completely different serum, but for me, my skin concerns are dryness because I'm a dry corn husk. I have some redness in my skin that I want to keep at bay, and then I kind of have some sternal and stress lines going up in this region of my face, and I want to make sure they're taken care of. Unlike some serums that kind of have like that weird sticky film kind of a feel to it, this just melts into the skin, and as you start to kind of pat it in, it just makes you look so refreshed and smooth. I love it. And then last but not least, we have the moisturizer. Now, one of the questions in the quiz kind of asks you what kind of formulation you like for your moisturizers. I am a thick and creamy kind of girl. No surprise. And this does not disappoint. It's so satisfying and smooth and thick and creamy, but it's not heavy. So as you start to massage it into the skin, it gives you like this really beautiful, healthy looking glow. I'm beyond obsessed. Besides the custom formula, the packaging is absolutely stunning. I love the color. I love that these are weighted. They just feel so luxurious in hand. I just like how sleek they look. They're so pretty. Now, in addition to how beautiful this looks, this made-to-order skincare is delivered in 100% refillable and recyclable packaging. So if you choose to subscribe, you can keep the bottles. We love that. I have been loving the results with these products, and I love knowing that these are designed for me and only me. It makes me feel even more special. So if you're interested to know what your personal skincare could be, go to the link in my description box to learn more. Thank you again to 2250 for sponsoring today's video. Y'all go support the sponsors that support your garbage queen, and definitely check out that AI analyzer. It's too good. I was like, oh my God, I didn't even realize some of the stuff that I had. Good to know. Anyway, now that we got that out of the way, let's open this bitch up. This came yesterday night. It was kind of thrown on my doorstep. Love that. But it does come in this really nice box, which is great. So we open this box up here. Actually, it kind of makes for a really nice gift box, just saying. So this is what you get. You get a nice little paper here. Okay, so normally I would just slam it on the table, but my room is just not set up for that, so I'm just going to just grab stuff out of the box. And the first one is, ooh, the palette. Okay, so this is the Super Nudes Easy Eye Palette. Fancy. Now, I don't really have too many.
Charlotte Tilbury.
I don't have a lot of Charlotte palettes, so, okay. Look at that little basic bitch cutie. All right, that's not bad. It looks like the first three are for your daytime looks, and then you have the last three over here is for your date eye looks. Now, I'm not sure how long ago this has come out. I feel like this is probably within maybe the last year or so. I could be wrong. Someone who knows Charlotte Tilbury lore, please educate me in the comments. But this retails for $57, so far, we're off to a good start. Granted, all of the products are fucking expensive. So at least we'll get our box worth, right? The next thing is, I hate this. Oh, actually, no, I don't hate this. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Take it all off. What is this? Infused with chamomile eye bright extracts, easy biphase. Makeup remover. Oh, makeup remover. When the fuck did she come out with makeup remover? Where the fuck have I been? Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, it's so funky looking. Ooh, I like this. Okay, the reason why I had such a visceral reaction is because I thought it was going to be the setting spray. I don't care what y'all say, okay? I know there's like an allegiance to that setting spray. No, that setting spray is garbage, okay? It's sticky fly paper that just makes everything a mess. It doesn't set your face down. If anything, it just smears shit all over it. Kind of reminds me of a weird salad dressing. So I'm excited to try this one out. I'm always looking for a really good makeup remover, especially because I have very sensitive skin and sensitive eyes, and usually a lot of things just break me out and such. So this, super excited to try. And let's see, how much is this bad boy? Oh, so apparently it's a new formula. So what happened with the old formula? Or is this the old formula? The plot thickens. Anyway, this retails for $34. This is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. Did I ever try the Legendary Lashes Volume 1? I don't know. Ooh, a fun little mascara. Okay. Looks like a normal wand, nothing too wild. All right. So it looks like it's in the shade Black Vinyl. So this guy retails for $32. Now I'm a fan of the push-up mascara. I think that's fantastic, but it has to be a specific color. It has to be Dream Pop. It has to be like that maroony brown because the black mascara was fucking terrible. So I'm super excited to try this one out. The next thing is brow gel. Okay, all right, okay. Not really a sexy product, but you know, hey, we gotta keep those brows at bay. This is Brow Fix, the clear brow gel. Never tried any sort of a brow product for this, but all right, you know what? When in Rome, right? Even though my eyebrows are completely fine. Okay, I mean, it's a brow gel. What the fuck do you want me to say about it? It's a brow gel. It's a clear brow gel. Seems fine. Doesn't seem weird in my eyebrows for now. But this guy retails for $25 and yeah, okay, so far, I mean, this is probably the most unfuckable thing in the box, but we still have 3 more products left. So the next one is, ooh, a lipstick. So this is from the Super Nudes. This is Runway Royalty. I love Charlotte Tilbury. Like I cannot not say that right. I really do love her lipstick formula. Ooh, and this looks nice and hydrating. It's a very pretty color. It's actually very similar to what I have on my face today. Yeah, kind of looks exactly like the same color, actually. I love the brand's lip formulas, so super excited about that one. This guy retails for $34. I really do love the satin formula. Like I said, Charlotte knows her shit when it comes to lipsticks. The next product is, the hell is this? This is Tinted Love. This is the lip and cheek tint. I've never tried this product before. So this is in the shade Santa Euphoria. Okay. All right, okay, bitch. Sounds like a fun time. I was like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Lip and cheek tint. I mean, it's very light. I mean, it's very light. Kind of, I feel like as a cheek tint, do you see that? Because I don't. I think maybe as a lipstick it might be better, but I think as like a lip tint it might be better, but putting it on the face. Oh, this motherfucker stains. Oh, okay, so, all right. I don't think I'm gonna be putting that on my face. Well, granted, it doesn't look like much. I look like I have like a partial tan now. Hold on, I'll show you a fucking picture. Looks like my skin is partially tan now. I don't like that. Okay. Not a fan of that, but okay. So the Tinted Love is a beachy nude brown lip and cheek tint for a Just Kiss veil of makeup magic. It definitely stains. I mean, it's kind of not as dramatic as the Kylie Cosmetics cheek stain, which stained my skin for like 5 days. I'm kind of hoping that this will go away soon. The more I look at it, it looks like my hand got burned. Why the fuck would I want that on my face? All right. And then the last product we got here is, what the hell is this? This is the oh, the mesmerize. Okay. I have tried one of these before and I don't remember, which means they kind of probably weren't incredibly memorable. Oh, that kind of sucks, but we're gonna give it another go. This is in the shade Star Gold. Ooh. Very creamy. Oh, I like this. Actually, it's a very beautiful bronze color. That's super pretty. All right, we're gonna have to give this bitch a whirl because maybe the one I got wasn't the best one and maybe this one's a little bit better. So this retails for $34. So all of this, grand total, is 250 bucks. Yeah, okay. Maybe I was an idiot. Maybe I just assumed it was going to be a little bit more money, but literally in the description,
my new mystery box featuring 7 full-size beauty secrets with a magical 50% off.
Worth $250, yours for $125. Okay, so yeah, it is actually worth 250 bucks, all these products together. Now the question, is it worth it or not? Okay, so starting with the eyeshadow palette, yeah, listen, I love a basic bitch moment. I live for a basic bitch moment. So I'm super excited to try this one out. The formula feels like standard Charlotte Tilbury, which I'm kind of giving you like really quick swatches here on the back of my hand. But yeah, they look fine. They're nice soft colors. I feel like this is going to be one of those palettes that are going to be really good for the everyday, especially if I want to have something super quick. So I don't mind this. I like this. And the Super Nude collection, the only thing I think I have from the Super Nude collection is probably, I think, just that face palette that came out. I want to say the face palette was from the Super Nude collection. Anyway, super happy about this one, so I like that. The eye makeup remover, pleasant surprise. Thought it was going to be this stupid setting spray. So happy that it's not. So I'll let you know, obviously, in the updated video if it works well or not. Like I said, I'm very finicky when it comes to eye makeup removers because usually I always have an issue. Like it stings my eyes, it burns, blah, 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 blah. So I'm kind of hoping that this one doesn't. The brow gel, like I said, the most unfuckable thing out of this whole box. It's fine. It's brow gel. What do you want me to say about it? Again, what do you want me to say about it? The Legendary Lashes Volume 2. Always love a good mascara, so kind of excited to play around with that one. Although I do wish it was the Dream Pop Push-Up Mascara. Beggars can't be choosers, so I'll shut up. Love the lipstick. It looks like the lipstick that I had on while filming, so love that. And I love that this is a satin lipstick. As someone who has very, very dry lips, this is beautiful. Now, the thing I'm probably the least excited about is the Tinted Love. Maybe cheek tint products are just not for me. I just kind of find it a little alarming that it stains your skin. I don't like that. But I think kind of putting this on the face, I feel like it's just gonna make me look like I got burnt. And it's still very, very prevalent on my hand. So not a fan about that. When I was looking at the prices for these products, I think that one had like the worst reviews and it got like a 3.5. And a lot of the reviews here are kind of funny because they're like, on my cheeks, it just evaporated, left no pigment, but it looked good on the lips. So kind of am curious now because of the negative reviews. I'll throw this in a try on, but I have no expectations. If anything, I'm actually thinking it's gonna be the worst thing I've ever tried. So can't wait to get disappointed. And then last but not least, we have the Eyes to Mesmerize. This is beautiful. I like the color. Like I mentioned before, I have another one of these. I know I've used it, but I can't recall how I feel about it. So to me, that says it's not memorable. So we're gonna give this bitch another go, but I really do love the color. It's kind of one of those shadows that's like a one and done. And lately I've been getting more into that. So I'm super excited about that. You know, overall, $125 for these products. It's not bad. I'm actually kind of surprised considering I thought it was going to be real fucked up garbage, like things that were in the stock room that hasn't seen the light of day for like 6 years and you just blew the dust off it and put it in this box. Like that's what I thought was going to happen. You have some nice little pieces in this. So if you were interested in picking this up or giving this as a gift, I don't think people would be that upset. There seems to be more good than bad in this box. So you know what? I don't feel like I wasted my money because I feel like there are definitely things that I am going to use in this. The thing that I'm kind of side-eyeing a little bit, the Tinted Love, the brow gel, because who gives a shit about brow gel? And obviously I'm concerned about the eyes to mesmerize because I don't remember, because I can't recall really using it. But other than that, not bad, not bad. I will say, comparing it to my other big Charlotte Tilbury purchase, right? That big advent calendar beauty chest bullshit, whatever it was. I don't think it was an advent calendar. I think it was a beauty chest. That one was a waste of money. That hurt my soul. That fucked me up because of the deluxe size samples of just mostly skincare that I didn't really give a shit about. But this though, this I can fuck with. This I can get behind. So like I mentioned, if you were interested in picking this up, it's not that bad. It's actually a nice little gift for someone that doesn't have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury stuff, which for me, I'm starting to get more and more stuff from the brand, but actually I don't have any of these things, or at least these specific colors. So I won. Wow, I feel like this never happens. So we should commemorate this day. Thank you. Thank you, Charlotte. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you did pick up this thing, or if you were like, no, who gives a shit? Let me know, because I want to hear from you. I love you. Let me love you. Again, thank you to Tony250 for sponsoring today's video. And y'all, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and to my Patreon and YouTube muffins. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty garbage but afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. I just want to gobble you all up so you can live inside my belly and we could be one and we can have a good old time. Trust me. If you want to know what is currently on my face, everything you need to know will be listed in the description box down below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye.